Hey, in this video, I will explain why iPhone doesn't charge after 80% and how to actually fix that if you want to. So the first thing you want to understand is why your iPhone gets charged to 80% and doesn't go over. First, battery health. It's better for your battery if it doesn't always go to 100% when you leave it on for the night. And second, it is actually due to heating reasons. So to actually turn it off, you want to go over to your settings tab. You want to click the like button on the video, the subscribe button if you're new. You want to go down to battery. Here it is. You want to click on the icon. When you're here, you can see different options. You want to click on battery health and charging. And here you have the optimized battery charging option. To reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. Pretty much have this function on my Mac as well, and it's actually good for you. So if you still have any issues or questions around your iPhone battery, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I want to see you in the next video. Bye.